So what's up everybody, it's your boy Comiendo Truqueando, back with another video. So we just received, so I'm gonna be pulling out my truck outside because I have it right now in my garage, but I'm gonna show you guys the parts that we received, and that way I'm gonna be installing the carpet. So I have ordered the carpet already, and the piece that I was missing this back piece that goes here. So I had got that one already, so I'm gonna be installing it, but I was just moving the truck out of the way, that way I can be able to fit in there more comfortably. So let me turn this off. All right, so let's go show y'all. Alrighty, so look what we got here. So here's just a few things I'm gonna show you guys. First, this is the carpet that we're gonna be installing. So I actually want to take this out of the box, that way I can that way we can let it spread it out overnight, so it can get in its form, its shape, because it comes all wrapped up in a box. So let's do it.
Cuando trabaja, mijo, o vendría llena, ¿verdad? Porque mira, pues la chequean de la mañana.
Oh, sí, ni chequeé, no hay.
Te digo que no sería de los...
No, ¿verdad?
No será que echa cuando trabaja o vendría llena.
Solo si la limpié con esto.
No. Acá estuviera, mijo.
Ábrele
Acá
para allá.
tiraba, ¿verdad? Pues ahorita si quieres no la pongas ahorita.
Sí.
No vas a ir a la tienda con ellos.
No. This is the other piece that goes in the back. This is for the back wall. Just a simple little piece. I'm gonna put this here just so you won't lose it. That's the piece that goes. Va en la pared de atrás. Es el que va ahí. Porque en la pared de atrás hay como todavía la parte de la troca. So, alrighty. And this piece, this is a little trim piece that goes on the back wall, so it could hold the carpet in place. My truck didn't have it. No, con esta. My truck didn't have it, so I had to buy it, unfortunately. So I got it off eBay. That's where I get all my stuff from, pretty much. eBay. eBay gives me everything. Half my truck is built with eBay. Alrighty. Alright, so here's this trim piece. Finally got it out. The rest of the stuff we don't need, so we're just gonna throw that out. Let me take this off as well so I can put it on there already. Show you guys how it looks. No, ahorita no. Estamos secando todo. There's gonna be the back piece. I think it's a tan, and the thing is that my truck is gray, so I'm gonna check it out because it's kind of hard to tell right now. But I got I'm gonna be testing out. I might be testing out the duplicate color can spray. Let me show you all. So I might be testing this out right here. It's the vinyl and fabric specialty coating. It's for dashboards, door panels, center consoles, trim, and seats. So I might be spraying that down. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do it with the gray or the black one that I have. I also have a black one, because I was debating whether I should spray paint my interior. Let me know what you guys think, or if you guys have done that. Leave a comment down below if you guys have used it on your OBS. See how it came out. kind of already put, as you can see in some places, it's just kind of hard to mold it in. Where I messed up is that I should have like let it sit out in the sun, let the carpet sit in the sun. That way it could like be able to mold better to the truck. So I kind of just put it like that. So that's something I would recommend. Like maybe let it sit in the sun for the day before or something, so it could be a little more flexible. I ended up trimming here a little bit on the edges. I just need to put the molding, the piece that goes here and over here as well. I added the box already. I brought that in. I put the back piece too. Here's the back piece of the rug behind the box. And then after painting this, I installed it back in the truck. So that way you don't see the green part of it, the color that it used to be before. So there it is. I just need to add the molding over there. I still need to make the holes with this blade. I need to make the holes where the seat the seat was going, where the seat goes. So I'm going to be bringing that in, install the seat, add these moldings right here, and then it should be good to go. So I'll keep you guys updated.
Yo no soy lúcido, mucho menos presumido, pero sí me doy a respetar. A los envidiosos verán como los detesto, porque no más.